What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei bringing you episode 103 of the Webull Options Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. Typically, we want to aim for about 1% a month in collecting premium overall. So we are actually in the last week of December. So in this episode, I will be going over how much we made in total for the full month of December. Remember that our goal is that 1%, so we'll see if we achieve it or not. And yeah, it'll be definitely exciting, especially because I did have to roll quite a couple cash secured puts. So I'll be showing you guys over that. Well, I'll be going over it in the Webull app, and then we'll jump into the Google Sheets where you guys will probably see it a lot more clear. But you'll see that the portfolio currently is at $28,055.31. You'll see we are up in the green in the open profit and loss with 9.89%, which is about $322.50. If we look at the cash balance, you'll see we have about $30,992.81. And then our options buying power is actually at $4,992.81. So the two current positions I do actually have right now are actually some Tesla cash secured puts that I've actually had to manage, and I'm showing you guys because I did do a couple rolls. But the first one we do have here is actually one cash secured put on Tesla for a strike price of $135. This one's actually going to expire the 27th of January of 2023, so about maybe 3 or 4 weeks away from now. And we collected $19.60, which comes out to be $1,960. This is a roll from a previous cash secured put I did have. I believe it was around $140 strike price, so I've been trying to go down and average down to roll this out so that we could eventually get this to expire worthless. The next one here, guys, that we do have is another cash secured put on Tesla for a strike price of $125. This one's gonna expire on the 20th of January of 2023. And this one we did end up collecting $13, so that's about $1,300. This one we also managed to roll down to $125, hoping that we will eventually get this to expire worthless. We will see. We're going to continue managing these, but I think we should hopefully be profitable in these over the long term. I wouldn't mind getting assigned Tesla anyways, because I am sticking to companies that I wouldn't mind holding for the long term. As long as you do that, you should be fine selling these cash secured puts. And I think Tesla's going to be a very, very awesome company in the future. But if I show you guys here the history, I can actually jump over here and let me find the first one that we did. So the first one was the Tesla that we bought back at 131, and you'll see that we ended up starting from there. I'm not going to go into every detail here. I'll show you that in the Google Sheets, but you can pause it if you're interested. Just want to show you guys all the trades. This was actually a recommendation from one of the subscribers that said to show the trades from the history. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets. But before we do that, consider subscribing with a bell notification if you're new to the channel, or just a returning viewer that hasn't subscribed. As well, if you wouldn't mind dropping a big thumbs up on the video, definitely would appreciate it. But I will see you guys over there. Alright, guys, so we're at the Google Sheets in the dashboard, and if we go ahead and click on the start date, let's go see how much we made for this past week, and then we'll see how much we made for the full month. So the 30th was the last day. So we actually ended up losing $45.70, and that is because I was rolling some of the Teslas that I showed you guys cash secured puts. I was okay with losing a little bit of money, especially because we had already achieved our 1%. If we look at the credits, total we collected was $5,174.57, and on debits we actually paid back $5,220.27, so a lot more than what we collected. There was actually nothing in gains, nothing invested. And then if we look at the graphs here, you'll see that for the month of December we actually made $398.17. So definitely more than October, but not more than November. If we look at the monthly performance here, you'll see that it is at 1.41% return for the month of December, which is still very, very well, because our goal is 1% at a minimum for right now. Until we start getting better, we'll eventually jump it up to 2% and then go from there. If we look at the weekly performance here, guys, week 134, we lost $45.70, which brings our total portfolio value to $30,992.42. If we look over here, guys, you'll see total we've collected in premium has been $2,831.45, which actually comes out to be a return of about 10.05%, which is pretty great, especially with the market of full 2022 just going in a downtrend. We've been making about 10%, which I'm definitely happy. I can't complain with that. If we look here at the credits here, I will show you. So I tried highlighting some of the colors. They correspond to the roles here. So you'll see the first one here that we do have was the Tesla 139, actually 139 cash secured put that we had open for Tesla. We held it for about 5 days. We actually ended up rolling it, and we actually rolled it down here, which was actually till the 13th of 2023, and we rolled it down about $2 in strike price. We collected about $2,459, and it was a roll. And then again, guys, we held it for about 1 day or so. We rolled it again, which was all the way down here on the 30th of December, and we actually rolled it out till the 27th of January. But we actually rolled it to 135 strike price, so we went down quite a bit. So I'm definitely happy about that. You'll see that if we look at the number 276, we look here, this is when I actually placed it. So we were at 140 strike price, quite a lot. So we've gone down quite a bit, and right now it's worth about $1,959. We will see what happens with this one. The other one here that I do have that I'm managing is the 278, which is the Tesla cash secured put, which is at 131. I believe this one we had it at 133. We've managed to roll it to 131, and we rolled this one on the 28th, and then you'll see that also here on that 28th we ended up rolling the Tesla cash secured put to about $128, and we collected, or I guess it was worth about $1,800. And then again, guys, on the 29th we held it about 1 day, then we rolled it again. So 278, you'll see the Tesla cash secured put 125, so we went down about $6, which is pretty great, and it's worth about $1,300 right now is what we have it open as. The other one here, the one that's kind of weird, is I actually was not paying attention. This one was a Tesla put that I actually bought a put, and it was a 136. It was supposed to be a sell, but I was not paying attention to that, and we paid $2,345 to actually buy this put. And so if we look over here, we actually ended up being profitable on that one. But if I show you here on this put, it was $245. We were actually able to sell it back at $23.95, so we made some profit right away. I was I don't usually like to buy puts, I like to sell them, but you'll see here, these are the ones that we purchased, all the ones with the same color. Right here we bought everything back as well, and the one that's a little darker is for the other ticker symbol, or I guess the other cash secured put that we did. So that is the total for the debits that we did. If we look at the gains, there was actually nothing in gains, and then nothing in current buys. But yeah, guys, this is actually all I have for you guys. We made pretty good money in December. Month of January, we're just gonna have to keep managing those cash secured puts on Tesla. We'll see how everything plays out, and at the long term, I wouldn't mind getting assigned 100 shares of Tesla. That is why it's very, very important to sell cash secured puts on companies that you wouldn't mind getting assigned, because in the long term they will be profitable. But anyways, guys, let me know how much you guys made for the month of December in the comment section. Again, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing with a bell notification. Help me reach 9,000 subscribers. Definitely would appreciate it. And drop a big thumbs up on the video. I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.